Today, PreSet or PreSet Plus hubs are OEM first fit on almost all Class 8 trucks in large population of trailers in North America and growing. Prior to the launch of the original ConMet PreSet in 1995, things were very different. Before PreSet, truck and trailer OEMs were buying hubs, seals, and bearings from multiple suppliers, installing and adjusting the bearings themselves. ConMet developed an integrated wheel end that included the hub, bearings, and seal, reducing the number of parts and suppliers that OEMs had to manage. Even better, this new pre-adjusted wheel end ensured that bearing end play would remain in the optimal range without the manual adjustment required by other hubs. It achieved this by using a bearing spacer in conjunction with bearings manufactured to precise tolerances. The industry was quick to recognize the value of PreSet. Within a few short years, PreSet hubs became standard equipment on nearly every Class 8 truck across North America. And it wasn't just OEMs who benefited. PreSet made life easier for technicians, fleets, and owner-operators. Instead of rebuilding a conventional hub, it was now possible to replace it with a PreSet hub. This saved time and money by simplifying wheel end maintenance, reducing downtime, and eliminating manual bearing adjustment. In 2011, the PreSet Plus hub was introduced, enhancing the PreSet design with an integrated spindle nut. PreSet Plus was even easier to install, improved and maintained clamp load, and further simplified hub removal, setting a new standard in performance. Over the past 30 years, more than 40 million PreSet and PreSet Plus hubs have been installed on commercial vehicles, traveling over 31 trillion miles. Today, PreSet technology supports over 150 applications for heavy-duty truck and trailer axles, disc or brake drums, aluminum or iron, and we're not stopping here. As we celebrate 30 years of the original pre-adjusted hub, ConMet is pushing forward, continuously improving our technology to deliver value to OEMs and simplify maintenance and reduce downtime for fleets. Learn more about the many benefits of PreSet technology at conmet.com/preset.